Hello, I am Ranjan, and this is not a blog. This is the moments, the memories that I shared and spent with my friends in these few days in Delhi. मैं दिल्ली कोई ब्लॉग बनाने नहीं गया. I went there to experience and create the best memories of my life. And yeah, I did that. और इस प्यारे से पल को और बेहतरीन बनाने के लिए मैं और मेरा मित्र ज्ञानदीप निकल पड़े दिल्ली घूमने. We created reels, took snaps to make our old age cheerful, reviewing these moments. And we feel so lucky that we are keeping footprints to our memories. Describing Delhi in the short video is not possible because the beauty of it is ineffable that I cannot describe it in words. And maybe the reason behind is it is the capital of India. The busy streets, the smart technologies, the aesthetic vibes takes this place to the next level. इस जर्नी को और मेमोरेबल बनाने के लिए हम निकल पड़े हुमायूं टॉम और जंतर मंतर के लिए. वहाँ के माहौल, वहाँ के एनवायरनमेंट, each and everything has attracted me to a great extent, giving me peace. I just kept on wondering the place, how beautiful it was. Finally, for memories, we had captured some best pictures possible onto our journey. And I feel lucky that I am